Property tax is roughly about $100 a month. Insurance is about $100 a month. HOA is about $25 a month. Property management is roughly around 10%, which I can try to negotiate down a little bit. That would bring me to roughly about maybe $100 to $200 in positive cash flow, which isn't really much. So really, that's just a reserve for CapEx, which should be minimal because it's new construction, or for like vacancies, or for like make readies when people leave. So call it a break-even deal that I basically got for $10,000 down essentially once I execute the full BRRRR strategy. So every time, kind of from my experience, like new construction builders, they're not like super flexible, but on the flip side of the coin, like I was thinking about it, I was like, well, if I'm making a cash offer, like I want an amazing deal. Like at this stage in my real estate investing career, like I don't need like okay deals. I want amazing deals because I can stand put, never buy real estate again. Obviously sell some properties, deleverage my portfolio, pay off some debt, and I pretty much don't have to like work a single day in my life again if I don't want to, right? But that's not my current goals or objective right now. I'm still motivated to work, still motivated to build wealth. So I only want amazing deals, especially if I'm putting in like, a huge cash offer, because not many people could put huge cash offers like this unless you're a 1031 exchange buyer, or you're selling a business, or you just make a lot of income. So for me, I saw this on one rental at a time. Like if you're making all cash offers, like you want at least a 25 to 30% discount. So at my offer of $240 compared to the original price of $310, that's roughly a 22 to 23% reduction in price on a new build. So I feel like there's like a little wiggle room for Lennar, because like for me, I'm literally indifferent to which property I get. Like as long as the property is a good rental and the numbers make sense, I don't care which property I buy. I don't care what lot it is. As long as I get my numbers, I'm happy, right? Versus a homeowner, if you're living in a house for yourself, like, yeah, when I bought this house, I want this specific lot, I want this configuration, I want this flooring. I was very picky. But as an investor, it's a different mindset. So like, I'm not desperate at all. So I just said, hey, like, if you guys want to meet your quarter goal, and I'm the last person that you need to sell to get your quarter goal, and I can offer you all cash, like, let's make something work. So they kind of said 260 firm. I offer 240. Maybe they'll counter me at 250, and I'll make it work. That's fine. I'll leave $20,000 in the deal instead. And once we leave $20,000 in the deal, I'll leave 10,000 in. Christine will leave 10,000 in, and there you go. Like now we own another asset that cash flows. We didn't lose that much money, putting money in the deal.